Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover lost account on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you've lost access to your Roblox account, don't worry, here's how you can recover it. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website. Once you're there, tap on the More option in the menu. Now scroll down and select Help and Safety. From the next screen, tap on Help. Now you'll see various categories. Select the one related to account issues. Inside the Account section, you'll find several options. If you don't find the exact one that matches your issue, don't worry. Just choose any related option to move forward. Next, scroll down until you find the Contact Support link and click on it. You'll now be redirected to the official Contact Support form. Here, fill out the contact form with all the necessary information like your email, username, and describe your issue clearly. Once you submit the form, Roblox support will review your request and help you recover your lost account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover lost account on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.